Hi guys, welcome back. This will be my introduction to the Hawker Harrier 50th anniversary group build hosted by Martin Lamont, otherwise known as the International British Modeler, and I will put a link to his YouTube page and also the Facebook page for the group build where members are posting pictures of their build. So as you can see, this is the Hasegawa 172 Sea Harrier FRS Mark 1. Looks like kit number 00235. There's a picture of a finished model. Okay. I think this kit was originally tooled back in the 80s, and but I did buy it brand new, and so hopefully I think it's still a pretty good kit. So let's take a look at what's inside. So everything comes in one bag. We'll get to that in a minute. You got clear parts. These are sealed up. Instructions. And decal sheet. Will look pretty good, I think. Okay, the first sprue we have, it's like front section of the plane, nose cone, cockpit area, some drop tanks, looks like some ordnance here. We do have a couple more missiles, some hard points. You can see the seat. And it does have decals for the instruments. Okay. There's also a ladder, if you want to pose it, with the ladder going up to the cockpit. Okay. Look at this one. Starboard fuselage half. Rear stabilizers. The compressor blades. And jet nozzles. Oh, get a pilot. Looks like panel lines are recessed. Very fine recessed panel lines. And it looks like a refueling probe. Okay, on the last sprue. And a port side fuselage half. Get your wheels. Okay. Again, I don't see any flash in this kit at all. So for being a older mold, looks like it's been holding up pretty well. So that's it. So that should be a pretty easy kit to put together. There's not a lot of parts. It looks nice. The plastic is really crisp. Okay, let's take a look and see what the instructions look like. So, Hasegawa BAE Sea Harrier FRS Mark 1. Give a little summary of the of the aircraft. And fold out. Looks like it's going to be 7 steps into the painting. First step, of course, cockpit. It seems to be always standard. Gives you a breakdown of the external weaponry for different types of aircraft. So air defense, reconnaissance, and surface attack. So it tells you exactly kind of what ordnance to use on the different types of planes. I don't know a lot about the Harrier. And so I'm interested to learn a little bit more. I want to, obviously I want to do a carrier-based Harrier, and be looking at the different options that those planes carried, what kind of ordnance they have. And then once you're done with the cockpit, move on to assembling the fuselage and installing the jet nozzles. And it looks like they will move because it says no glue. So they're going to be moving around a little bit, which is kind of cool. Assembling the wings, horizontal stabilizers, and then the front of the engine cowlings. Should be pretty easy. And then installing your step 4, installing your hard points, getting your wheels on, landing gear, and of course the canopy, and then looks like you can pose it closed or open, so which is nice. Okay, and this shows you the different weaponry and the hard points and where they go. Down here it shows how to paint the different weapons. Also, you get color callouts. And on the back, of course, we have our color schemes. So it looks like a simple kit, looks like a decent kit, and there's not a extraordinary amount of detail, but it is a 172 kit, and the Harrier is a fairly small jet, so it'll be a lot of fun. I'll be posting updates, and then also sharing images to the Facebook page. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and try to make this little guy come out looking fantastic. So this back of the box. Thanks a lot, guys. Happy modeling. Take care. Bye-bye.